Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you two easy methods using which you can overcome this error easily. To get started, search for services. From here, find the Windows Audio service. Right click over it, go to its properties. From here, click on log on. Select this option and checkmark this box. Now save the changes. Now close everything and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. In the next method, search for Registry editor. Now go to the video description and copy this registry location. Once copied, paste it in the address bar and hit enter. Now right click over this service and click on permission. Now select system from here and click on add. Type system here and click on check names. Click on OK. Now selecting system, click on add and type administrator and click on check names. Click on OK. Now selecting administrator here, make sure these boxes are checked. Save the changes. Now close everything and restart your computer. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if this helped. Thank you.